Hey guys, Brian, mini warm-up. Yeah, this is the third on the bench video. A different model kit. I told you I was gonna do the Wolverine, the Thing, and then the third one, Spider-Man. So Toy Biz, obviously. Back in the day, it cost $4. It was like 10 bucks when I got it a couple years ago. But anyways, just in one of those building phases. I'm sure you guys been in that before. But I did get color on the Wolverine and on the Thing. So I'm going to go ahead and start building this. Okay, look at that clear. So thanks guys for your support and all. So let's go down to the bench. Alright guys, here you go. Put in a lot of the putty. Still got to do a little bit of the mold lines. Got good old Spidey built here. Obviously prime and paint. I'm not going to go ahead and complete the base because I'm going to do it from the box stock. This is supposed to be all red and the spider black. So I'm going to go ahead and leave this as is. Prime it and give it a good red paint, and then these are the spider legs for it, and then go ahead and prime and give a good black to it and whatever. So and that's it. So anyways, thank you for following along on this and watching the good old neighborhood Spider-Man get built, so or whatever. And this is not the last of the three on the bench build videos. Next will be the finals of the Wolverine, the Thing, and Spider-Man. So please comment, subscribe, and throw a like or whatever. And I'll check you guys out later on. So keep building out there and have a great weekend, or great week actually, weekend. So see you guys.